Give me the phone.
No, I don't want
Give
it.
me the phone.
I don't want it.
Here's your choice. You give me the phone and you might get it back in 8 minutes, or I take it to the office and you never see it again.
Why?
Because
Why
you're
would I-
not supposed to have your phone out. Ah! You know how hard it is sometimes to be your teacher. I should be able to come to school and teach instead of coming to school and babysit.
Yeah, but like there's 8 minutes until spring break. Why would you take my phone?
Because I hate them.
Why would you do that?
Where'd he go?